Welcome to the Galena Diaries, where we take you on a journey through the charming town of Galena, Illinois, and share our family's day-to-day experiences along the way. I'm Angela, and this is my incredible son, Max, who loves all things YouTube and is a budding video editor.
I love making videos, and I'm the co-creator of this series. So hit that subscribe button if you're ready to join us, and let's get into it.
Good morning, everyone. This weekend, I got up early to go for a hike at one of my favorite spots in Galena, Horseshoe Mound. Horseshoe Mound is a nearly 200-acre scenic conservation area offering the public opportunities to enjoy one of the most scenic properties in northern Illinois. With views across 3 states, a central gathering area, and a restored oak savanna. It is a quiet, restful place for hiking, and even has a children's adventure that you can follow, complete with a little door for fairies or elves.
Did you know monarch butterflies are beautiful species of butterfly that feeds on milkweed plants? The monarch butterfly can fly between 4 to 12 miles per hour and up to an altitude of 10,000 feet. Once a monarch caterpillar becomes a butterfly, its lifespan is only 2 to 6 weeks. I hope you're having a happy life, butterfly.
About 45 minutes to take it all in. Horseshoe Mound is a beautiful place to spend the afternoon, with several pavilions and picnic tables available. That evening, we threw up the drone to take in the beautiful surroundings before we headed home. That night, we had a light dinner of homemade bread, cheese, olives, fruit, and wine, and then listened to nature out on the deck before going to bed. The next morning, we met our friend Christopher for brunch in Elizabeth, Illinois, and then stopped at a local cupcake and ice cream shop for treats. After our visit, we headed down the road to Hanover, Illinois, which has a lovely spot by the Apple River for fishing and picnicking by the spillway. So where were we headed today? Mississippi Palisades State Park. About a 45-minute drive from our home sits Mississippi Palisades State Park, featuring camping, several hiking trails, and gorgeous views of the Mississippi River. We hiked for a while on a few trails and then stopped to take in some nature around some freshwater streams. Along the river, it is common to see muskrats, river otters, beaver, deer, hawks, and bald eagles. We then headed to a scenic overlook to take in the views. The Mississippi River is the largest drainage system in North America. It runs 2,320 miles south from its source in Minnesota to its mouth in Louisiana. Forming the entire western border of Joe Daviess County, the Mississippi River provides a life support system for our area, as well as many others throughout the United States. After a long weekend of outdoor adventures, we were ready to head home and relax by the fire. Thanks for watching. See you next time.